How to change Roblox game thumbnail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and click on Create at the top. Then, on the left side, click on Creations. In Creations, select the game you want to change thumbnail of and simply click on it. After you've done that, on the left side, you will find Places option. Click on Places. And then in here, select a place. And on the left side, you'll find Thumbnails. Click on Thumbnails. After that, scroll down and click on Upload Thumbnails. Then it will open all your pictures folder. Select the thumbnail you want to upload. And you will find the thumbnail in here. It will take some time, and after it's approved, your thumbnail will be changed. You can also delete this thumbnail by clicking on three dots and clicking on delete thumbnail. And this is how to change Roblox game thumbnail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.